Welcome. If you've ever missed an important email because you didn't see the notification on your Gmail app, turning on app icon badges can be a real game changer. These little notification dots or numbers on your Gmail icon show you at a glance when you have unread messages, making it easier to stay on top of your inbox. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to enable app icon badges for Gmail notifications on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head over to your device's settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This section lists every app installed on your phone, so you'll find Gmail here. Next, scroll through your apps until you find Gmail and tap on it. You'll be taken to the app info page where you can manage all the permissions, notifications, and storage settings related to Gmail. Now, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This brings you to Gmail's notification settings, where you can customize how and when you get alerts. To go a bit deeper, tap on notification categories. This will show different types of notifications Gmail can send. Find the category labeled Mail and select it. This category specifically controls notifications related to your incoming emails. Inside, you'll see various options, including one called App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this option on. This activates the small badge on the Gmail app icon, alerting you whenever there's unread mail. And that's it. Going forward, your Gmail icon will display App Icon Badges, helping you stay notified without opening the app constantly. This feature is especially useful if you rely heavily on email for work, school, or personal communication. If you ever want to turn off these badges, just follow the same steps and toggle the option off. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to turn on app icon badges for Gmail mail notifications, keeping you connected and informed effortlessly. Don't forget to check out your notification settings regularly to customize them to your needs.